Good morning, friends. Let's talk about the trade setup. Now, what's important today in today's trade again is that both Nifty and Bank Nifty again they showed weakness towards the close yesterday. But as we are coming for the morning trade, we have seen recovery from the lows for the US markets. Asia is trading sideways. If you take a look at the other cues like FIs, they continue to sell in cash market and future markets. So FI cues are negative, global cues are neutral. Then you talk about FNOQs are largely neutral to negative bias here because I am seeing call writing at the higher levels both for Nifty and Bank Nifty, and that's basically negative. Short build up in Bank Nifty futures, but Nifty no major addition happening. So FNOQs are neutral with a mild negative bias tone here. Crude basically is positive, and that's why paint stocks and OMC stocks, those actually should be going up today. So those actually are the long ones again to really play for. Then you go for the metals, large and neutral, but underlying tone is bearish. China data was positive today in the morning, and that's why I'm saying neutral. But underlying tone, I'm definitely seeing a sort of weakness for the metals here. On a base metals, fundamentally, they are below the cost curve, many of them now. But on a sort of sentiments and the way positions stacking up is looking negative. Now, let's go and talk about the next one. Basically, bond yields almost neutral, and then currency also very much neutral. So broadly, overall cues are neutral. Sideways trade is happening. It's a weekly expiry for Nifty and Bank Nifty, and for that purpose, Nifty ranges 10,800, 20 points here and there. There's a put return area. If that is taken out, then actually you start aiming for 10,700, the next sort of put return area. Call writing area is around 11,100, a bit at 11,000. So ideally 10,930, that should not get crossed today. I think I'll be surprised again if that is crossed and sustained. Crossover is not important, sustain is important. So at the high levels, I expect selling pressure. At the lower levels, I'll actually like to book profits quickly because I expect a range bound trade unless until in second half I see a very clear one direction. Then I think it's very good actually to flow in that direction. Bank Nifty 28,000, 28,100, 200 very heavily call writing. On the lower side again 27,560. That's the sort of put return area. Once you take that out, the 500 level again, 560 area again, basically then actually you expect more weakness, 100 point, 200 point. Bank Nifty will keep on falling then. So you can watch out for those areas. On the high side, 830, 850 is the area again you need to watch out. I would expect around 800, 900, you would expect selling. If the Bank Nifty reaches there, expect selling at the high level. So that's the bias today. Paint and OMCs, the place to go again if you're a bull.